Warning.
WWG.
For the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Carroll County and east central Ohio, northwestern Harrison County and east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Nothing.
Low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ritzville, Newcomerstown, Denison, Madden-Hutton, Tuscarawas, Midvale, Port Washington, Ballaston, Barnhill, Sherrodville, Leesville, Stillwater, Tippecanoe, Gilmore, Tappan Lake, and Leesville Lake Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas.